Make sure you stay until the end. We will explain common mistake people make when replacing fuses, relays, guys, and how that can cost you quite a bit of money that you don't need to spend. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Chevy Malibu. We're talking specifically about that generation right here from year 2016 to year 2023. If you guys have one of those and if you need to find where the fuses, guys, for the air conditioner are located, which fuses you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts to use fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered for your convenience, guys. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have a Chevy Malibu, we're talking about that generation here from 2006 to all the way 2023, guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video about every fuse, every relay in that car. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you're trying to find where the engine starter fuse or fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, search, less than 1-2 minutes, you fix that problem, you're back on the road. Because sometimes in the menus it will not be cleared, it will not be mentioned, guys. If you need to buy, guys, okay, any parts, tools, fuses, anything for your Chevy Malibu at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Now, here in the garage, guys, we constantly work on things, constantly working on new vehicles, guys. We do engine work, mechanical work, transmission work, body work, anything you can think of. So we're constantly adding new vehicles. So if you need help with anything, just leave a comment below. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll explain where the air conditioner fuses are located on this 2017 Chevy Malibu. You guys have, by the way, two different fuse boxes in that generation Chevy Malibu, and today we'll be working both of them. Now the first one is on the inside. You will need to open the driver door right here. Once you open the driver door, come under the headlight switch on the left side of the steering wheel. Here you will have one cover, guys. Go ahead, open that cover. Underneath it, you will, guys, see a fuse box just like this one here. Before we, guys, continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here, guys, we'll need to check 2 fuses in this fuse box, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check 3 more. The fuses that we'll need to check here specifically, we're going this way, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuse number 4 will need to be checked for air conditioner system right here. After that, you will, guys, need to check one more fuse here, and that's fuse number now 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. That fuse right here, super important fuse, 10 amp fuse. Next, you will need to open the hood. Facing the engine on the right side, you have a fuse box under that cover. Go ahead, open it, guys, and you will see that layout. Let us zoom in a little bit and we'll show you now, okay, what we have here specifically. The first fuse that we'll need to check is known as fuse number 11. We're talking about this 40 amp fuse right here, fuse number 11. Next, you need to check fuse number 29, and fuse number 29, guys, it's in this row here. So you start with 26, 27, 28, 29, that 10 amp fuse here. And lastly, guys, okay, you will need to check fuse number 65. You wonder where 65 is located? Well, it's this little bitty 10 amp fuse right here under the relay, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.